Previously on That Guy Outdoors. The journey kicked off in Port Angeles, where I anxiously checked on the progress of the Cricket's repairs. With everything in order, I set out to explore the breathtaking Dungeness recreation area, then dipped my toes in the sand at the enchanting beach of Fort Worden. But the call of Bellingham led me back, awaiting the moment when the Cricket would be ready for the next leg of my adventure. Finally, the day arrived, and I was joyfully reunited with my trusty companion. With the Cricket back in action, I resumed my journey, heading south along the pristine coastline of the Olympic Peninsula, eventually ending up at the picturesque Kalaloch Beach campground. Join me this week as I continue the journey, leaving Washington and venturing into the wonders of Oregon. The adventure is far from over, and the beauty of the Pacific Northwest awaits. This week promises more stunning landscapes, incredible moments, and the excitement of exploring new territories.
All right, well, good morning, everybody. Late morning here. It's already almost 10:45. I guess I kind of got up this morning and just started moving. Wanted to get packed up and hit the road. I'm probably gonna go see if can find a spot this evening. I'm gonna grab a beer and a slice. Yeah, we'll see when we get there. Well, good morning, everybody. So I didn't jump on last night or this morning. So yesterday we drove from being up the Olympic Peninsula down to just outside of South Bend, Washington. Hit a harvest host. At some point, I promise, I will sit down. If enough people really want to see the information, I will sit down and show you guys how I find my spots for the night, how I make my plans, all of the details and the information that go into the logistical planning of it all. At some point, I will sit down, if enough people want to see it, and break it down to the details. Maybe I'll do a full video just on how I plan my travels and my days and what goes into it all. Currently, for those of you who've been following my life and my adventures for a little while, know that a year and a half ago, something like that, I had gone to Chattanooga to an Adventure Van Expo. It was a blast, it was great. In Bend, Oregon, this weekend is the Adventure Van Expo. I mean, I'm gonna be in Bend today. Why not go? So we're gonna go check out the Adventure Van Expo. I am currently 3 hours and 24 minutes, 188 miles from Bend, Oregon, and the exact place is the, I believe, Redmond Expo Center. And we are camping there tonight and tomorrow night. So we're gonna head that way now. We should get there at around 12:30, 1 o'clock this afternoon. We'll check in with you guys in a little bit. Hope you enjoy the ride. Well, good morning, everybody. Obviously, you know what time it is. It's coffee time. Currently, if you don't see, currently we are set up in Redmond, Oregon, just outside of Bend, for the Adventure Van Expo. Got here last night, enjoyed a lot of awesome people, a lot of great company. But yeah, we're gonna go check out some vans today and see what all, everything from custom vans to pre-builds to, meet some cool people, check out some cool companies. Hey everybody. Obviously I'm not still at the expo. The Adventure Van Expo was awesome. Some amazing people there. You know, everybody from OVP to Limitless Vans to Van Life Trader, and John at Van Life Trader, he's a freaking amazing person. Val with Dakota lithium batteries. Just again, I can keep going on. Currently where we're at is just outside Bend, Oregon. And I mean, I gotta tell you, this is what I've kind of been waiting for. Beautiful views. I mean, just look at the sunset. Complete peace. I'm not going to sit here and talk to you guys tonight. While I love you all, I'm going to go enjoy myself this evening. Just kind of unwind and relax. I'll touch base with you guys in the morning. We'll do some exploring around this beautiful, vast area. There's some trails right nearby, so we'll go do some hiking in the morning. Take a stroll with coffee first. Just kind of go from there, man. I will see you guys in the morning. Well, good morning, everybody. It's a beautiful morning. You guys saw the sunrise out there. I mean, it's just perfect. Enjoying the coffee this morning, sitting by the fire. Not too sure what all we're going to get into today. Probably going to go for a walk at some point, but definitely going to get some editing done this morning, since I didn't get much done over the weekend because I was at the Adventure Van Expo, which, by the way, again, Van Life Trader. Thank you, John at Van Life Trader, for the hoodie. Awesome dude, great site. If you're even considering looking at going into traveling and living this lifestyle and considering van life instead of a Cricket, nothing wrong with it. If you're going to take a look at van life, definitely start your search for your desired camper van on vanlifetrader.com. Yeah, man. I mean, this site is something else here. All right, everybody. Well, out for a nice little walk. Man, I saw a sign up by the beginning of this trail. It is wide enough to drive down. It'd be awesome to come back here. But it looks like there's no more motorized use allowed. So, you know, it's kind of what happens when people don't follow the leave no trace ethics. I won't go on my rant again, I promise. But it looks like there's still some people coming back here. There's a fire pit set up. I mean, I'm gonna stick with the signs. At least, you know, unless it's an old sign. If you know, you know. And it's definitely cold. It is 34 degrees right now. All right, guys. Well, I'm gonna go enjoy the hike, and I'll show you guys along the way.
Trying to wake up from a dream is harder than it seems. Birds are flying all around, some fall and hit the ground. This is where I should belong,
I'm just out for an evening walk just down the road. Got back from the walk this morning, spent the day getting some editing done. It did start to rain, thus the cloudiness right now, not much of a sunset tonight. Got a knock from the sheriff. That was the first. Been waiting and expecting it, doing this journey. I keep hearing everybody say, it's not if, but when. So all he was saying was that, 14 days.
Shaky grounds, you could never understand. The way I am is not what it seems. Tangled up in
All right, well, good morning, everybody. Sorry, guys. I already had my coffee and already went for a walk. Did that this morning and spent some time on the phone with my parents. Talked to my dad for a little bit, and then I talked to my mom for a little bit while I took my morning walk. To be fair, if you know, you know. The intent is to leave the spot today. However, it depends on how long my video takes to finish editing. If you can't tell, got my Jackery solar panels out. They're feeding into the Jackery right now. Got 400 watts of solar power. It should only take a few hours to charge up, but if you can't tell, it's also cloudy, so I'm not necessarily pulling 400 watts. Still got good power on the Cricut. I'm gonna go edit so I can try and hopefully get everything done, go grab a shower, get the video uploaded, and get to another spot, all before it gets dark again, and it is getting dark earlier. All right, guys, talk to you in a bit. Well, hey everybody, got most of the video edit done, headed back in towards Bend to the Planet Fitness, grab a shower, and hopefully let the video start uploading. Probably just gonna find a pull off tonight to crash, get up in the morning and head to Crater Lake. See you guys in a little bit. Well, good morning, everybody. It's that time. Coffee and a walk. I am currently just outside Crater Lake. Enjoyed an amazing sunrise this morning. And just kind of heading up. There was one more campsite further up from where I was. 2 reasons I chose where I did. Number one, it was nestled just below the peak of these rocks, which means it's blocking some of the wind. The Subaru can make it up, but I don't think the Subaru and the camper. All right, guys. Well, I'm gonna go enjoy my walk, and we'll see you in a little bit.
got time on our side. We're in a state of hope. I need you on my fire. I want you to know that every time you're away, I long for you so much I can find my way. We got everything here, at least to stay alive. And the time that we share makes it all worthwhile. Got this place on our own. Do you feel that we got something strong? And I saw you walking the line, and the truth may come as a surprise that with you I feel alive. You'll be the last one I think about. We got time on our side. We're in a state of hope. I need you on my fire. I want you to know that every time you're away, I long for you so much I can find my way. And I saw you walking the line, and the truth may come as a surprise.
As always, thanks for watching, and remember, if you liked this week's episode, don't forget to hit the thumbs up, leave a comment, share it with a friend, subscribe, don't forget to turn on notifications, and join us next week as the adventures of That Guy Outdoors continues.
When it all breaks down, I'll wait for you right here. And I swear that we got nothing to fear. It's a miracle that you and I are finally here. I saw